Yes, friends. Hope you can hear me. Melissa Asgari, can you hear me? Please check your mic.
Hello. Yes, I can hear you.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you. Yes. Thanks for joining. And Sriram, can you hear me? Sriram, please check your mic. Sriram cannot hear you. We are waiting for us to join now. Anyway, it's live, right? It's YouTube live as well. So let's get started. Yeah. Let's get started. Let's understand what is Databricks and why we need to go for Databricks and why it is increasingly becoming famous nowadays. Okay. Let's get it started slowly. Let others join as per their comfort. Venkatesh, can you hear me? Venkatesh? Yeah, Sriram, Venkatesh, please check your mics, please. I'll wait. Venkatesh, mic.
Yes, I can.
Perfect,
Thank
perfect.
you.
Yeah. And you are able to see my screen, right, Venkatesh? Please check it.
Yes.
Perfect. Yeah. Yes, friends. Let's get started slowly. Let's get into the concept. Okay. Let's understand what is what and why we need to this. Why it's high time now to step into Databricks. Okay, and what we need to master to stay safe at our technological space. Let's get started now. Let me just start the recording in my Zoom as well. Though it's YouTube live, let me start the recording as well. Yeah, it's already there. Yeah, let's get started. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. And hi, everyone. And from my experience, from my exposure, I think it was about 3 years back. I made one video. It's a YouTube live video. 3 years, I think 2.5 or 3 years back, I remember about the same time on fine evening on Saturday, I think weekend. I was telling at that time, Databricks is going to rule the market very soon. I was mentioning it. Why? Because the way they architectured the components, the way they made the ETL process so streamlined and lovely, let me tell you, it's very straightforward. I have been working with SSIS, STS or integration services. I worked on Teradata, Hyperion. I worked on DBT, data build tool. I do have some kind of exposure, not experience, but exposure on Metallion ETL environment. I do have some touch on Glue, Amazon Glue, and Azure Data Factory. But Databricks is so amazing. The way the things are so matured enough, simply put, and it works at less cost. What I'm talking about, yes, I'm talking about something called Databricks. Let's get started now. Let's understand what is Databricks. What's the purpose of Databricks? Where exactly Databricks fits in an end-to-end life cycle, and how we need to master Databricks. Let's get started slowly. In this short video, short session, live session, we are learning today the main agenda. What is Databricks first? We are going to learn the components in Databricks, the advantages of Databricks, the main job roles, the certifications, and my course content. To stay safe, to make you stay safe in your technological space. To make sure we adopt, that's very important, friends, to adopt to the new trending upcoming changes in the technology. Our basement should be strong, right? Yes, it all depends. I learned how to drive a Maruti 800, I think about some 15, 20 years, 15, 16 years back. When I was recently married, at that time, my uncle gave a marriage gift, Maruti 800. I still remember. But now, by God's grace, okay, fine car. So there are a lot of features and advancements, right? From Maruti 800 till now. Yes, we know how to drive, how to control, right? And how to manage the actual spacing, border, etc. in busy cities like bumper to bumper, traffic oriented Hyderabad. It all depends. The route should be strong. I mean to say, friends, I need to make you ready. I need to make you ready for the technological advancements in Databricks. So that kind of strong orientation is required. So yes, learning the technology is important and learning the root of the technology is important so that we can adapt to the new things in an easier way. Let's understand slowly what is Databricks first. Let's get started. I'll not take much of your time. Let's plan it for 15-20 minutes, right? Let's get started slowly. If possible, write your observation notes. A scribbling pad and a pen. If possible, just take a pen and a paper, just a paper or a book, and just write your important points. If you can, it really works. And WhatsApp me your observation notes if you can. Either attendees who are in the live class or whoever is accessing my video after the live class, write your notes, keywords, just keywords, and WhatsApp me after the class. I'll include my WhatsApp number in the comment section of this video, the YouTube live video. As well as attendees from the Zoom meet right now, I'll WhatsApp you in the Zoom meet a comment section, the chat box as well. Write your observation notes. I will provide you access to my unique Databricks interview questions and answers playlist. Let's get started slowly. Let's understand what is Databricks. Databricks is a cloud-based platform. It's a cloud-based platform for the purpose of valet parking service. Simple words, valet parking service. Maintaining the parking area and also planning and managing the security of the parking area. Yes, you heard it right. Databricks is a platform to read data from various sources, perform something called cloud computing, big data storage, ETL operations, extract, transform, load, IoT operations, Internet of Things, like managing, monitoring, tracking, and securing your live digital devices, like temperature sensors, humidity detectors, fire, automated AI-based fire detectors, everything possible using Databricks now. So data science, AI, machine learning, these are all the main components. They depend on Databricks, remember. I repeat again, I said it's a valet parking service environment. Yes, on my screen. Databricks knows how to read the data from files, databases, ERP environments, and also apps. Different data sources. We read the data live and get it into something called warehouse for the purpose of downstream activities like analytics, AI, data science, Gen AI, etc. Let me tell you, friends, everyone talks about AI. Everyone talking about the fruit, but the tree is Databricks, trust me. Yes, you heard it right. It is inside Databricks that we do create agents, chatbots. Also, we have automations, workflows, what and what not. Databricks is a tree and AI, Gen AI, agentic AI are the fruits of the tree. Let's trust the tree, because the fruits will change their shape, or sometimes the flavors may change, new flavors may come, but the tree remains same, trust me. So the main advantage of Databricks unified platform, what does it mean? Yes, it is inside Databricks we can do data engineering, application development, machine learning, data science, AI activities, automations, Gen AI activities, and other things as well, with big data support. So main purpose of Databricks is, remember, read any type of data, store any amount of data, and help us to perform any activity with data. Databricks is all about constructing a house, a lake house with bricks. Simple. Databricks is all about helping us to manage and maintain end-to-end stack, end-to-end activities. So the components in Databricks involve various activities. Number one, here it is. The components in Databricks will be helping us to involve in engineering activities. Data warehouse components are there. ETL components are there. AI and warehouse ML activities are there. Machine learning. Big data analytic activities are available now. Recent add-on in Databricks, part of my training classes. And there are new dimensional data modeling components now. There are a lot of concepts involved in Databricks. So a lot of job roles are also involved in Databricks. I'll come to that point after some time today. So to step into Databricks, I said Databricks is more into or completely into data, reading, writing, transforming, and also I say ETL, reading, extract, transformations, loading, writing the data to the warehouse, perform AI, ML, data science activities. To step into Databricks, I want you to learn from scratch Spark first. We should know the architecture of Spark. From there, we need to know the concepts of Python from ETL perspective. Friends, trust me, Python is very vast. Whatever is needed in Databricks, we should know. Python, pandas libraries, matplot libraries, numerical Py. Mainly big data oriented libraries in Python are very important. We cannot right away step into libraries. We should know the fundamentals of Python, data types in Python, operators, constructs, classes, modules, and then libraries in Python. This set of activities I was mentioning right now are enough to merge with Spark. Spark plus Python is equal to PySpark. Module 3 you need to learn. It is using PySpark. We can do wonders. That ETL, warehousing, AI, ML, everything we can do using PySpark module 3. The derivatives, user interface items, module 4 called autoloaders and SDP, Spark declarative pipelines. And we need to streamline. We need to streamline the entire process with at least 1 or 2 projects for our resume. And there are many certifications in Databricks now. There are few certifications from Databricks company, open source, and there are few more certifications from other companies like Microsoft, AWS, etc. Here it is. Let me show you 2 main certifications from engineering perspective. Number 1, Databricks Data Engineer Associate Certificate from Databricks.com, not Microsoft, sorry, Databricks.com website. Databricks Data Engineer Associate Certificate. This is the first one for engineers. And of course, even for developers also. Databricks developers, Databricks engineers, the certification is common. Second certification, exclusively from Microsoft, released few days back. Here it is, DP 750. Implementing data engineering using Azure Databricks. Remember friends, Databricks is like an engine. Just like an engine, a car engine, a cloud computing big data engine. That engine can be implemented by itself, open source Databricks. The same engine can be put inside Azure cloud, it becomes Azure Databricks. Inside AWS cloud, AWS Databricks. And same way, third one, GCP Databricks. Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud are the three major cloud providers in this world. They have their own network of data centers. Other cloud platforms like Snowflake, Salesforce, etc. usually use these data centers. You can test it. Go to snowflake.com website. Try to sign up. You see one option. It will ask you which data center you want. Azure or AWS or GCP. The dependency is there always. I repeat again, two important certifications. One is open source, Databricks Data Engineer Associate, that focus on end-to-end ETL and warehouse operations. Other one, exclusively same concepts in Azure, Microsoft Cloud Environment Azure. That is DP 750, Data Platform 750 certification. If you have both certifications in your resume, I am pretty sure it will be a super duper hit. Friends, our resume should be unique, right? We are in a competitive world. So the way we market our profile, the way we propel our profile is also very, very important. In my training classes, I will be teaching you from scratch database OLTP concepts first. Then only I will be teaching you the next level data warehouse concepts. If someone is already having a work experience on OLTP, they can directly step into module 2. Module 2 is a main entry point for Databricks. Module 1 is a basement and module 2 is the actual entry door. Spark, SQL and warehouse technology, warehouse architectures. Then comes Python ETL and PySpark and Unity catalog, auto loaders, and then we need to step into real-time project, a 2 months lengthy, productive, interactive journey. We'll do it carefully. But one thing, yes, we need to have everyday assignments, weekly mock interviews, then it works. Yes, we are going to have a detailed step-by-step project for your resume. So here it is. In case you are planning to step into Databricks, either you learn from me or any of your trusted sources, you know how to filter your trainer, right? You are aware of it. I don't need to tell you how to filter our things, right? Yeah. Just like how we carefully, cautiously filter a doctor for our actual health. Yes, I'm pretty sure you know how you filter your trainer as well. I'm pretty sure about it. You know it better. Yes, wherever you learn database concepts thoroughly first. Learn every concept of OLTP from scratch. From the very basics, especially normal forms. Technical implementation, theory won't work. Technical implementation, procedures, data validations, views, row-level security, functions, DML computations, triggers, automations, transactions, query blocking, CTEs, query tuning, indexes, next level query tuning, group by aggregations, joins with group by and subqueries, cursors, window functions. These are all very, very important. Once you complete your SQL concepts, then you need to step into Databricks. In Databricks, we are going to learn from scratch, introduction to architecture, Unity catalog concepts, operations on Spark SQL and Spark notebooks. We need to learn about Python concepts in detail, step by step. And after we do all these Python activities, then we need to step into PySpark components. In PySpark components, you have good level of transformations, automations, medallion architecture, something called data lake, delta live tables, declarative pipelines, jobs, widgets, version controls, streaming data activities, and project work with security and Power BI integrations. No doubt, things will be clear slowly, step by step. Yes, friends, I request you all to pay special concentration, special attention to Databricks. I want your profile to go to next level. Either you learn from me or from anywhere. I need to wish you all the very best. I just want to educate you guys. Databricks is coming to the top best technology in 2026 now. We cannot imagine AI without Databricks. More clarifications, more questions, I am here to guide you. You can book a one-to-one free sync-up session for your resume. We can meet on WhatsApp video call or Google Meet. Let's understand each other first. Let's understand our profile. Let's understand what can be done to beautify our profile. Yes, there are many reasons to choose me as your trainer, as your mentor. I'll do my duty very carefully. Wish you all the very best. Thanks for joining the call today, and attendees who are accessing the video, thank you so much. And I will give you my WhatsApp number. Let's connect on WhatsApp to learn more about our profile planning and resume optimization activities. Let's meet soon, one-to-one, in person at my Hyderabad office, India, or online as per your comfort. That's it from me for today. Thank you so much. And any questions, clarifications, please do let me know. We'll take it from there slowly. Please do let me know on WhatsApp. We'll take it from there, please. Thank you so much, and see you soon in my live meets. Thank you so much once again. Bye-bye. Take care. All the very, very best. Thank you. And I have to pause this YouTube live as well, right? I'll do.